dalawang winners na napili ko. Ito ay sila. Good morning everyone! I'm back! This is Shan Vlogs. For today's video is pupunta na naman kami ng Las Vegas. Makakasama ko sila, Trang, Imo, and Ate Noreen. Pero bago ang lahat, magbe-breakfast muna ako. Then, lalarga na ako para pick upin una si Trang. So, ready na muna ako at mag-update ako kapag nasa daan na ako. So, let's go! So, ayun, driving na nga ako papunta kay Trang. Napipick upin siya. Hindi na ako nakapag-video nung paalis na ako sa bahay. Like, palabas ng bahay. Pero ayun, papunta na nga ako kay Trang. Sunduin na natin siya. Let's go! Vegas! So, here I am picking up Trang. Trang, you wanna put that at the back?
Oh, I want to put it in the front.
Okay, so ayan, Trang is here. I already picked her up. Hi Trang, good morning! You're so pretty! See, I wear a dress because you guys said you dress. So next is we're going to pick up Ate Noreen and then Imo's. Let's go! So we're on the way to pick up Imo and we have 10 minutes left before we get to her place. So, see ya, Imo! Alright, Imo is here. We already picked up Imo. And this is Trang. Finally, we make a trip together with Trang. So, because Trang is gonna leave us. It's very sad. Really sad. But, we're gonna enjoy Vegas today. One-day trip. So, come join us. The Vegas trip. So, let's go.
Here we go. Titanic summer version.
Alright, Ate Noreen is here now. We already picked her up. The four of us is here now. So, let's go. Alright, 1 hour and 7 minutes to go to get to the 7 Magic Mountain. Pumunta muna kami doon.
Last time I see Rosie.
No. So, finally, we arrived na sa 7 Magic Mountain. And here's Trang. Ate Noreen is right there in Imo. We're back. Hindi nangyari yung 2025 na sabi kong babalik ako dito. Bumalik ako after 2 weeks. Hindi nangyari yung 2025, ate. After 2 weeks, bumalik dito. 7 Magic Mountain. Ayan na nga uli ang 7 Magic Mountain. Ayan, bumalik na naman ako ulit dito. Dahil kasama namin si Trang para, ayun nga, makita niya nga yung 7 Magic Mountain. Next namin is kakain na muna din kami ng lunch kasi 11:51 na. So, ayan, mag-ano muna kaming konti, stay, and then alis na kami. 7 Magic Mountain. So, we're good. How is it, Trang? You like
Very
it?
nice. I like it.
Yeah,
This is
so,
the first time for me here.
yeah, it's her first time. So, you wanna say bye to 7 Magic Mountain?
Bye.
So, ayun, paano na kami? We're going to eat na. For our lunch because it's already late. So we're gonna be on the way in the Filipino restaurant. Are you excited?
Yes.
You ready?
Very excited.
Alright, so let's go! Finally, we're at the Max restaurant. Hi, Trang, Ate Noreen, and Imo. So finally, we arrived at Max restaurant. It's a Filipino restaurant. So this is their menu. We're gonna go. Pipili na muna kami na makakain. Waiting. Ready? 1, 2, yes po. So, can we get po the steam rice, the large one po, and the garlic fried rice po, large, 50 pata po. The family, right, ate? Because it's only $2 the difference po. And then po, one laing po, and then the nilagang baka po. Thank you very much. Eh, finally, nandito na nga. So, nag-order kami ng fried rice, laing, steamed rice, crispy pata, tapos nilagang baka. Kaya na nga, ang mga person, gutom na nga. Eh, picture. Ayan. Gutom na kami. Kaya mapipicture na sila. Hey, lunch finish. Ate Nurin, that's her signature. Mwah. That's her signature. Alright, so it's finished. Ayan, ubos na. Oh. Yes. The crispy pata is so good. How is it, Trang?
Very good.
Very good? Alright, you're full? So we're gonna eat a dessert. We ordered some dessert, which is the halo halo. Hey, they're so excited. Imo is like, come on, where you guys are? Andito kami sa may Seafood City. Nabili sila ng bread. Tapos nagbili kami ng konting goodies, Filipino goodies. So, ayan. Here's Imo, her Streng, and Ate Noreen is right there. She's buying something for her kids. And then after that, we're going home. Don't do that. So, all set, ate. So, we're gonna go get a bread. Let's go. Hey, how much is it, te? $10. Okay. Alright, that's not bad. Alright, let's do it. Come on. Tama na kami doon sa bakery. Okay, let's go. We're here in bakery na. Train. Ate Noreen. Ate Noreen, you already get yours? Alright. Mine is this. Palitaw, bumbong, and then the ubi bites. So, ayun, nakabili na kami lahat. Dito na. And then, lalarga na kami. Ate, oh, look at my face, ate. Hindi niya ako pinansin. Kawawa naman ako. Pero ayun, bumibingli nga lang sila. Tapos, lalarga na kami kasi anong oras na din? Alas 5 na din. Gagabihin na kami ng pag-uwi. Tapos, papagas lang kami. Dito kami sa may gas station. Then, ayun na naman si Ate Noreen yung signature niya. Let me see your signature, ate. Yung dila, ate. Where's the dila? Yun ang signature ni Ate Noreen. So, oh, bless you. Ayun. I know. We're going na. We're going. Alright, let's go. So, we're on the way home. It's 6:40 p.m. It's already night. Dropping off Ate Noreen. Bye-bye po, ate. See you Monday, te. Next is Imo. Bye, Imo! Alright. We just dropped off Imo on the way to Trang. Okay, we're almost. I'm so freaking tired. Once I get home, I'm going to wash my face, wash my body, feet, brush my teeth, then sleep. Because I am so tired. It's already 11:49. Here we go. It's Trang time to get dropped off. Thank you, Trang. Yes, you're very welcome. Yes, I will. I will message in the group. Yes, go ahead. Na-drop off ko na yung last passenger. Thank you again, Trang. Bye-bye! So, ayun na nga, as usual, kita niyo naman, nakaready na akong matulog. Alala ko na kailangan ko nga palang mag-update para sa winners na dalawa doon sa previous na vlog ko. And then, kailangan ko din palang mag-update. So, i-announce ko kung sino yung dalawang napili doon sa Antelope Canyon. So, alam ko, panigurado, may mga ibang hindi tinapos yung vlog. Basta na lang is i-clinic, hindi sumunod sa rules. So, ayan na nga. Ito na nga yung dalawang winners na napili ko. Ito ay sila Salve Metelio 5341 at si Christine Jean Averella 9995. Sila yung dalawa nanalo para sa aking previous na vlog na Antelope Canyon na makakatanggap ng tig pa 500 each. Sila wala nang i-PPM ko na lang sila na sila yung nanalo. Ayun na nga, tatapusin ko na nga itong vlog kong to kasi nga inaantok na ako. Tutulog na ang person. Pero syempre bago ang lahat, huwag niyong kakalimutang mag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel at mag-like, comment na din para more updates. At syempre, huwag niyong kakalimutan na panoorin itong vlog na to kasi malay nyo next or dito sa vlog na to, meron na naman akong announcement sa games, sa rules, or anything na mechanics. Ang aming day trip ng mga ka-workmate ko sa Vegas. So, see you in my next vlog. Thank you very much. Bye-bye!